हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं लीगल डिक्टेशन मैटर। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। When the trial judge records the statement of an accused person under section 313 CRPC with regard to the circumstances which have appeared in evidence against him, the learned judge gives the accused an opportunity to explain those circumstances. Stop. The accused generally denies the prosecution case against him, but it is an opportune moment for him to plead any type of defense that he may like to take. Stop. Therefore, by extending the provisions of section 313 CRPC and on first principles of fair trials as well, there is need to give every accused person an opportunity to explain the case against him. Stop. Wheresoever the presumption under sections 35 and 54 is to be raised, it would be advisable for the trial court to frame a question under section 313 CRPC in order to give the accused a fair opportunity to rebut the presumption, but it is strange that trial court do not give the accused this opportunity. Stop. Unless the accused have been given the opportunity to prove that he had no such mental state as presumed under section 35, or that he had satisfactorily accounted for the possession which was being presumed against him under section 54. The respective presumptions cannot be raised against the accused. Stop. For the above reasons, we would answer the question raised by stating that no presumption under sections 35 and 54 should be used against the accused unless he has been given an opportunity to rebut the presumptions in his statement under section 313 CRPC by being called upon to explain the circumstances which give rise to the presumptions. Stop. Thereafter, the accused should be given an opportunity to lead to the presumptions. Stop. Thereafter, the accused should be given an opportunity to lead evidence in defense in support of his stand. Stop. However, there is no real or apparent conflict regarding the correct meaning of possession which needs to be resolved. Stop. In State of Punjab versus Hari Singh and others 2009 recent criminal reports, criminal 143, it has been observed by the Honorable Supreme Court as under. Stop. For the above reasons, we would answer the question raised by stating that no presumption under section 35 and 54 should he used against the accused unless he has been given an opportunity to rebut the presumptions in his statement under section 313 CRPC by being. Stop.